Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome to this video. All right, so if you guys have the check engine light on, the VSC light on, and the traction light on, and you guys need a fix for this, I'm going to tell you guys how you guys could fix this issue. Apparently, this is a really common issue for these vehicles. And a lot of people are scratching their heads over what could be causing it. Maybe it's the ABS sensor on their wheels. Maybe it's a weird electrical issue. But we're going to try to figure out for you guys. A lot of times you guys have the situation. You might just have cleared the codes and they'll just come back. Or if you guys took the negative off the cable of your battery and pop it back in, it might come back. A lot of these situations are not they're not permanent as far as resolving the situation that you have. Sure, if you guys have watched a ton of videos and have tried to figure out an exact fix for it, I will tell you that we're going to try to give you a fix for it. Okay, now these VSC issues, you might have all those lights on. You might have this situation where you just have the VSC issue, and then you have codes for the ABS, etc., etc. But there are situations where you might have the VSC traction light issue, and then out of nowhere you still have this weird thing with the O2 sensor, codes for the O2 sensor, etc., etc., emissions. And it's a weird thing to have the traction and the O2 sensors having some kind of connection with each other. But in cars these days, there's so much electronic in the vehicle that one system, because they seem to be two, the emission system seems to be a system that's separate from the traction system. And funny enough, even when I was doing some research on this, I was just trying to figure out, like, how does that come up, where if you resolve the problem for the emission system, that you resolve the problem for the traction control, because all the traction control does is stabilize your vehicle when there's an issue with stability. And it's just a weird thing as far as that's concerned. However, if you guys do get codes for emissions, O2 sensors, kind of converter codes, if you guys get emissions codes, I'm going to tell you guys how to fix that issue, and possibly the VSC traction check engine lights on your dash, because if you guys have those lights, it's a pain in the butt. You know, a lot of people just don't like those lights on the dash. I personally don't like the lights on the dash. And here's how you guys can try to fix it. But before I get to there, you guys need to know what the code on your dash is. All right, just because you have those lights doesn't mean that that you can just resolve and think that maybe those codes alone are just those lights for that system is what's causing your vehicle's issues. So basically, you guys can get an OBD2 scanner. You guys can go to AutoZone. They'll do it for free. They won't clear your codes, but they'll do it for free. And basically, you get a scanner, you plug it in, and it reads out the codes. And in this fix, if you guys have this VSC light, traction light, and you guys have emissions codes, here's how you guys fix it. I know it's kind of a weird thing because it's not associated with the traction of your vehicle, and it's a whole entire different system. But gas cap. Now, I'm not saying 100% that you guys can fix your vehicle with the changing out the gas cap, but you might be able to change out the gas cap and fix your emissions issue. You might be able to do that. Sometimes it's also O2 sensors that you guys got to change out. But apparently there is a thing, and this is a thing, where a loose gas cap causes A lot of weird check engine light issues, particularly with the emission systems, but in this case also with the VSC and traction control lights and the check engine lights, etc., etc. Definitely worth a shot, because a gas cap, changing out a gas cap, you can get one from AutoZone for like $20. I believe Walmart also sells it. You guys probably can get a $19 OBD2 scanner 2 from Walmart. Get a gas cap, brand new gas cap. Obviously, if you guys have old gas cap, the gasket, they become brittle. The rubber on the gasket becomes brittle. They wear out, etc., etc. And change it up. Change up the gas cap, tighten it up. Or you guys can actually just try to tighten your gas cap up and then reset the lights, or take the negative cable off the battery and pop it back on, and see if that actually helps out your situation. Obviously, nothing is actually guaranteed with this VSC traction control light issue, but you can try this easy fix, and it is an easy fix. If you guys were able to get this done and it worked for you, definitely drop a comment in the comment section. Let us know what you guys did, if this worked, etc., etc. Please subscribe. Please give me a thumbs up. Appreciate your time, all right, guys. Take care.